First quarter at number 3 is Solvivo Strategic Growth Fund at minus 5.73%.
Oo. Okay.
Yan.
Second place.
Second place at cut.
Bakit?
Mali yung ranking ko. Ang init yung summer.
Oo nga eh. Alam mo ba kung bakit mainit sa Pilipinas?
Bakit?
Kasi marami daw demonyo dito.
Try ra na to. Sus ko Lord. Kung ganito kainit sa impyerno, ayoko na. Papakamait na ako.
Dami kasing demonyo sa Pilipinas ngayon. Anyway, anong pag-uusapan natin ngayon?
Aba, recently lang ay nalaman ko ang mga top performer na UITF. Dahil marami nagre-request sa inyo.
Kasi lagi na lang daw mutual fund yung pinag-uusapan natin.
May UITF na kami. Eto na.
Pero siguro, disclaimer, no? Na porket top performer ang isang mutual fund or UITF, hindi ibig sabihin na sila na yung best.
Ano rin yan? Ang one thing I learned pag sa mga pooled funds, hindi ka forever number one. Walang forever number one. Nagbabago din yan, nagbabago.
So ano yung use kung bakit maganda ding malaman kung sino yung mga top performers?
Para at least malaman mo lang kung sino yung mga nagbigay ng magandang return for that period. Saka it's useful also para at least you can monitor them. Kasi since wala namang forever number 1 or number 2, at least tingnan mo din kung nasa first quartile ba sila or top 25% sila parate and consistently year in and year out. So makikita mo rin na maganda yung management ng fund.
So kunwari ako kunwari mag-i-invest pa lang ako. So hindi ko titingnan yung number 1 lang. So titingnan ko for the past quarters or past few years. Sino ba yung mga nasa top 25% or sabi natin na nasa top 10 lagi. So at least
kahit mga top 5
kahit mga top 5 yung mga lagi nasa top 5, tapos doon ako mag-i-invest. Ngayon kung nakapag-invest na naman ako, doon ko rin i-check ano bang place nung pooled fund ko, ano bang place ng UITF ko.
Baka balagoong yung fund mo.
So kung laging balagoong for the past 2-3 years,
titingnan mo din. Baka mamaya nag-iba ng portfolio o baka nag-iba ng style.
Nag-iba ng fund manager.
Nag-iba ng fund manager. Kasi kumbaga, kaya ka nga nag-i-invest is meron kang goal, di ba? So kung may goal ka, ibig sabihin yung pera mo dapat lumalaki moving towards that target amount.
Yes.
So kung parating balagong yung fund mo, tingnan mo, baka mamaya hindi mo ma-reach yung target amount mo.
So, pwede mo na siyang ilipat kung sino yung mga nasa top performers.
Consider. And usually kasi pag mga performer funds, hindi lang, minsan may tinatawag sila na year to date. Meaning from January hanggang as of that date. Pero titinan din nila yung previous 1 year, previous 3 years, usually may 1, 3, saka 5 years. So, tingnan din nila. And I assure you, iba-iba rin yan. So, minsan, nangunguna yung year to date. Pero pagdating sa 3-5 years, hindi siya nangunguna. But, just to give you a heads up lang and an overview, na tingnan mo rin kung, at least, kung consistent siya na nasa year to date, 1, 3, 5, kung consistent siya na mga nasa top 5 parati, then, I think it's probably a good fund to invest in.
Alright. Sige, with that said, ano bang natin, UITF or mutual fund?
UITF muna.
Okay, sige.
Yeah.
So
next episode na yung mutual fund.
Pagsabay natin. Pwede natin pagsabay.
Sige. UITF.
For ano ba?
For equity fund.
Equity. Sige.
So, this is as of March 31 this year.
So first quarter of 2018.
So medyo mababang stock market. Okay. So medyo expect na medyo negative yung ibang funds natin. Pero at least tingnan natin kung sino.
Top 3 lang na lang yung banggitin natin.
Okay. At third place ba first?
Third place.
Third place for equity UITF. The third place is UCPB Equity Fund.
Okay.
At negative 5.34%.
Malaki din yung yung...
Kasi bumaba ang stock market.
Okay.
At least negative 5 lang siya. Second place is UCPB pa rin. UCPB High Dividend Fund at minus 5.31%. And number 1 UITF natin for the first quarter is
palakpak pero negative.
At least, ito yung pinakamaliit na negative.
Pinakakonti yung...
AB Capital Equity Fund at minus 5.
Ano yung AB Capital?
AB Capital, New player lang to eh.
So saan nakakakuha niyan?
Parang broker ata yung, alam ko AB Capital is a broker. But they can check naman the website of AB Capital on how to get this.
Okay.
Yan. So yan yung expect lang na negative lang talaga.
Kasi nga equity.
Kasi equity.
And it's a reminder na when you invest in the stock market or in an equity fund, it's a high risk.
It's high risk. Saka pang long term.
It is possible na
negative siya. For the short term.
For the short term. Ito 3 months ng coverage ito, di ba?
Okay, balance fund.
Okay, so which is a moderate risk.
Moderate risk. Yan. At third place is the CTBC Atram Philippine Balanced Feeder Fund at minus 4.11%.
Okay.
Yan.
Number 2?
Number 2, UCPB pa rin. UCPB Balanced Fund at minus 3.49%.
Minus 3. Okay. And
number 1? At number 1 is AB Capital. Ganun na AB Capital AB Capital Balanced
kung
Fund.
Saan
Nga eh. At minus 1.02%.
Bakit negative ang balance fund? Kasi usually
may stocks din siya eh.
Ang half niyan usually
kalahati stocks. So
stocks.
isipin mo kung buo yan, tapos kalahati mo stocks, mabigat. Down ng market. So nahihila siya pababa.
Okay.
And this is as per, I got this from UITF.com.ph. So if you wanna know more on UITFs, you can go to UITF.com.ph. Yan.
Okay, so mga low risk, mga money market fund.
Money market fund, punta tayo sa bond fund.
Okay.
Okay, pagsamahin na natin yung bond fund, no, kasi sa kanila may long term, may medium term eh. Pero pagsamahin na lang natin. At number 3 is Bank of Commerce Diversity Peso Bond Fund at minus 1.27.
Minus din?
Kasi medyo umakit ang inflation eh. Saka paakit ang interest rate environment. So medyo bond funds is also facing some challenges.
Okay.
Yan. Second place is UCPB pa rin Galing UCPB Peso Bond Fund at minus 0.51%.
Okay.
And number 1 is Philippine Business Bank. It's a small bank, by the way, no? Philippine Business Bank Diamond Fund at 0.15%.
So yun yung positive.
Yeah.
So that's our UITF. And
UITF.
What this means is yung mga top performers na to, they are able to manage the risk of a falling stock market or increasing inflation
and interest rates.
Rates.
Kasi hindi porke negative pangit na. Kasi baka mamaya kunwari ang stock market mo negative 8. Kung yung equity fund mo minus 1% lang or in this case mga nasa minus 5 lang. Ano ka pa rin? Okay ka pa rin.
Gaano ba kalaki nag-fall ang stock market for the first quarter? Do you remember?
Siguro mga I don't know, 6% siguro.
So that's actually a good way to also evaluate yung mga performance ng mga investments. Kung yung index nag-fall ng 6% over a certain period, tapos yung fund mo nag-fall lang siya ng 4 or 5%, so that's actually a good
magaling si fund manager kasi kumbaga hindi siya bumaba as much. Diba? Pero kung bumaba nga ng 6% pero yung fund mo bumaba ng 15%, medyo
mali. Sige, tingnan natin yung mutual fund for the first quarter.
Money market.
Sige, money market.
Money market UITF, tatlo lang naman. Third place is AB Capital Short-Term Fund at 0.47%. Second place, UCPB. Cash Management Fund at 0.49%. And number 1 is RCBC Savings Bank Peso Money Market UITF at 0.55%.
Malaki.
Malaki. Pwede na.
Considering na yung inflation, no?
That's for the UITF space.
Okay. So sa mutual fund, tingnan natin kung sino yung naging mas magandang performance, kung UITF ba o mutual fund, no? So for mutual fund, this is also for the same period na first quarter.
First quarter as of end March of this year.
So sa equity fund, ang third place ay kailangan na ng salamin dahil hindi na mabasa.
Number 3. Yan. At minus 5.73% year to date is Soldivo. Yan.
Hindi ba pwedeng buka?
Hindi ko makita.
Ano ba yan?
Dapat consistent. Number 3 is Soldimos. May bagong libro kami. Teka lang. Number 3, minus 5.73%. Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund.
Okay, so
Yan.
place. Okay.
Second place. Ito, Phil Equity Fund at minus 5.6%.
Okay.
And number 1 is, ang only positive na equity fund
talaga?
galing Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund at 0.51%.
Mababa, pero positive.
Positive. Kasi kung yung market mo bumababa ng mga 5-6%, tapos positive ka pa.
Magaling ang risk management nung ano.
Risk management.
Ano ulit yung number 1?
Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. It's from ATR Asset Management.
Oo. So matutuwa yung mga kaibigan natin sa seed box.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Anyway,
Lagi.
so balance fund
Balance
or
fund.
moderate risk fund natin.
Number 3 is it's NCM Mutual Fund of the Philippines. Although pang co-op lang to, it's at minus 4%. They can also consider yung number 4. Ito, pampare eh. Okay, number 2 is First Metro Save and Learn Balanced Fund.
Okay.
At minus 4.23%.
Okay.
Yan. At ang pinakamaliit na negative is Atram. Atram ulit.
Okay.
Atram Philippine Balanced Fund at minus 4.09%.
Okay.
Magaling ang risk management ni Atram ngayon Diba?
Bond fund.
Okay, for bond fund, number 3 natin is First Metro Save and Learn Fixed Income Fund at minus 0.03%.
Minus, okay.
Maliit lang. Manipis.
Second place.
Second place, si BPI, ALFM Peso Bond Fund at 0.2%. Better than UITF kasi
Yes.
UITF puro negative eh.
Tama.
And number 1 is, magaling to. Naka 1% siya, 1.23%. Coco Life. Fixed Income Fund at 1.23%.
Okay.
Yan.
May money market ba yan? Or
Money
fixed
market.
income?
Tatlo lang sila actually.
Okay. So sila yung
So
top
pag wala
3.
ka sa top 3, ewan ko na lang. At least masara sa top 3. Okay. Actually, yung dalawa silang tie sa second place.
Okay.
Out of 3. So number 2, tie at year-to-date return as of March 31 is ALFM Money Market Fund and PhilAm Managed Income Fund, both at 0.46%.
Okay.
Yan. And number 1,
Sa money
tatlo
market.
lang naman yan eh.
Sa
Money Market Fund is Sun Life Prosperity Money Market Fund at 0.56%.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Yeah. So, if there's anything that I observe, sa ibang episode na yung libro natin.
Sige.
If there's anything that I've observed, yung mga past na countdown, ng mga top performers natin. Usually, di ba, naalala ko lang ang lumalabas yung mga Sun Life, yung mga First Metro Asset, etc. And pagdating dito, iba yung listahan, no?
Iba na.
I think kasi dalawa yung considerations. Itong mga top performer dati, these are, sabihin na natin, feeling ko, mga medyo aggressive, no? So, pag maganda yung market, maganda talaga yung kita.
Parang din, yung sinatawag sa investment, the higher the return, the higher the risk.
Pero since for the first quarter of the year, negative yung market, medyo downward, sideways. So, ang mga nagiging top performer, yung mga medyo magaling sa risk management naman, no? Na hindi masyadong bumababa. So, sabihin na natin na pag mag-i-invest ka, it's also a consideration. Alam ba, gusto mo yung malaki, sobra kumita, pero pag nag-negative, medyo malaki din yung nani-negative. Or yung maliit lang yung kinikita, pero pag nagda-down ng market, maliit lang din yung nagiging loss.
Of course,
tama
may
ba?
pros and cons din yan, di ba? Siyempre, tama rin naman kung malaki yung upside mo, malaki din yung potential negative mo. Kasi sabi nga sa investment, as you take in more returns, you take in more risk also. So, pwede rin siguro for our viewers, you can also make like a collage of your equity fund. So, meron kang yung ganitong fund, ganitong equity fund.
Yung mga equity fund na tipong mataas yung volatility.
Pwedeng kunwari 20% of your portfolio dun sa medyo aggressive fund. Tapos 80% ng portfolio mo na equity pa rin, would be medyo hindi
conservative
na hindi masyadong volatile.
Hindi siya masyadong malaki kumita pag up ang market, pero hindi rin masyadong malaki yung losses kapag
nag-down ng market. So
market.
at least if 80% of your portfolio would be in that, so kumbaga hindi ka masyadong malaki din ang ang palo.
And that's also a good reminder na pagdating sa pag-i-invest, doon talaga papasok yung financial goal mo. Kasi sobrang daming investment.
Ang dami. UITF
malilito ka pagdating sa performance, sa mga characteristics. And the best way to choose an investment talaga is based dun sa financial goal mo. And then, you look for an investment, a mutual fund, a UITF, that will help you achieve that goal.
That financial target.
The financial target.
So, kunwari, kailangan mo ng business capital na sabihin natin 5 million in 10 years time. So, dapat, i-monitor mo rin every year, lumalapit ka ba dun sa 5 million? And will that fund bring you closer to that 5 million? Kaya ang tawag dyan, investment vehicle.
Tama,
Because it's supposed to take you where you wanna be.
Okay. So, kunwari, kailangan mo ng 5 million in 10 years time. Ngayon, meron ka ng 4 million. Konti na lang yung kailangan mo. So, hindi mo kailangan yung mga top performers, di ba? Na sobrang laking kinikita. Baka ang mas maganda sa'yo, yung tama lang yung kinikita kasi maliit lang din yung potential na risk niya.
So, baka mamaya, bumaba pa, mas lumayo ka ba dun sa 5 million?
Pero kung wala ka pang naiipon ngayon, baka kailangan mo na yung mga medyo aggressive na para ma-reach talaga yung Okay. So, I hope you learned something today. And if you like our videos, then please subscribe and share it to your friends. And okay na? See you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.